Hi there, Crystal from Black Unicorn Merchandising here. Today I am explaining the difference between design versus development because oftentimes those two things are confused to be the same, but actually they're two parts of the same whole. So first we're going to pick apart development. So in order to make apparel, or in order to do it properly, you have to do the development first. That includes the tech packs, the art files, the hang tags, all of that stuff, all the files that you have to make to communicate to a factory visually what you want it to look like. So in some of my previous videos, you've heard me mention tech pack, you've heard me mention art file, all the rigmarole that has to go on behind the scenes to make your apparel. Now, realistically, that is completely optional. You don't have to do those things. You can absolutely have the conversation with the factory on a Skype, show them images or visuals in a video, but you're leaving a lot to chance. The benefit of doing a tech pack and the art files and all of the minutia of getting apparel made, the benefit of doing it properly is that you have a much better success rate. You have a much better opportunity to get that first sample as close as possible to perfect. Now, nothing is perfect on the first round, but if you take the steps ahead of time, you will at least ensure a higher degree of certainty that it'll be done properly. So that is development. That is literally just all the work you have to do before you even start sampling. All right, now let's talk about sampling. Sampling is when a factory takes all of those documents that you made and they interpret them internally with all their departments. They pick those apart, they look at all the details within, and they start making the sample. That, again, separate process. So that's taking all of the work from your development, using it with all their internal departments to create the sample. So sample, development, not exactly the same, but definitely two parts of the same whole. I hope this helps you understand why, when you sign on with Black Unicorn, the first part of your deposit is not going towards a sample. It is going towards what I have to do, what my team has to do behind the scenes so that we can even properly communicate your project request to the factory. And then the sample is what happens after all of that beautiful work is done behind the scenes properly. If you are interested in taking that step, or if you want some more information about it, I highly encourage you to head over to blackunicornmerch.com, fill out the questionnaire, and someone from my team will be in touch with you to schedule your complimentary consultation. Talk to you soon. Bye.